Alright, welcome to another episode of Dual Inverter Curiosities. We're going to be doing this temp check, but we're going to temp check it as it starts up and ramps up to full speed. This could be interesting. So we're starting off 72 degrees. I'm going to start it up at 60 degrees with max fan speed, and we'll see what it does. Compressor starting. Compressor settled in at 40 Hertz. Now it's going to sit at 40 Hertz for a bit until it ramps up to whatever speed it deems necessary. Fan is still ramping up. Fan has reached full speed. Compressor ramping up. $50 Hertz, but actually like 53 Hertz right now. $57 Hertz. And now at max capacity. $24 degrees, 25, 23, 22. It's actually, it's actually almost freezing my hand. It is genuinely that cold coming out. 19 degrees, settling in. 19.1, 19.2. And it's ramping down already. Even set on 60, it's ramping down already. Pulling 929 watts. Wonder if it's because it's on energy saver. No, that didn't make a difference. I don't know where the phone is. Ramping down again. Still putting out 27 degrees though. Maybe it knows that the temperature is really cold, so it's turning the compressor down because it's just like, I really don't need to be blowing cold, and it's still blowing 22 even with the compressor speed reduced. I'm thinking it maybe knows that and is ramping down because it's like, I don't need to blow colder.